Hey, my name is Tai Kim. I work at Kyungwoo Systech. Let me show you a really simple industrial safety use case of the UWB technology. So what we have here is a pedestrian tag that a worker in work site, like warehouses, like construction or manufacturing site, would wear in their wrist, in the helmet and vest, and then their belt. And then you would have the stationary vehicle tag there attached to the equipment. So anywhere a human worker works side by side with the equipment, whether it's forklift or construction equipment, they will see each other if they get close to the vehicle tag. And if it goes within certain range, I start getting the warning as a pedestrian worker that, hey, I'm getting too close to the equipment. The human operator of the equipment will also get the warning that there's pedestrian worker just walking around the vehicle, so just be careful. So you can see there, it's showing the yellow light, meaning I'm in the warning zone. If I get too close to the equipment, the color and sound will change, meaning you're too close. If I step back, then it'll turn off the warning. This is really simple use case of the indoor distance measurement of the UWB technology. And we use this for industrial safety application, as I said, like construction site, manufacturing site, or warehouses. And that's it.